have a very small haul here. This will do us for 2 days, like most of it, because I got enough for 2 suppers, bread and bagels for breakfast and stuff, and other stuff like the coffee, milk, and chips. All that will last longer, obviously. But I picked up some mesquite barbecue Old Dutch chips, some of the barbecue ringalos, 2 of the original party mix. These were 4 for $9. I got a jug of 2% milk, some paper plates. I got a new coffee creamer that I'm going to give a try. That's why I picked up a small one. And then I have the small French vanilla Folgers coffee. We have these tater puffs. These are like tater tots. We have those for tomorrow night with the ham for the ones who don't want scalloped potatoes. And then we have the English cucumber for the kids. The chicken breast is 5 pieces for $10. I have that for the fajitas tonight. Tomorrow night we're going to have this boneless smoked ham with these maple beans and the scalloped potatoes and a vegetable. I've got the pineapple. I was looking for the rings and all they had was the tidbits and the crushed. So I have this pineapple for the ham. We've got some Cheerios. There's the fajita mix. Mexican rice, we're gonna try that. Some extra tortillas back there. White bread, some everything bagels for breakfast. And then we got some sweets. The kids got into these already, the old-fashioned sugar donuts. We have some of the strawberry cheese croissants, and then just some cookies. I got a red pepper for the fajitas tonight. I have some more produce already in the fridge. And then I just grabbed some Gravel. This is the knockoff of Gravel. We're kind of starting to catch something around here, so I wanted to get this just to have it for being nauseous and all that stuff. So we got that, and this is everything I got. It costs just $102, and this is pretty much just 2 meals, and then like I said, most of it will last for a couple days longer. So thanks so much for watching, guys.